Hello and welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki channel. In this video we're going to talk about iframe. What is iframe? Iframe is used for content from another source into HTML5, for inserting content from another source into HTML5, used for ads and some hacking techniques, methods or techniques. So it's not hacking actually, but it will use almost for phishing websites, but they will use it. So because of that, iframe is not safe to use because it's part of HTML. I'm gonna teach you how to use it. iframe tag, and here engine is source src, like https google.com, and with the width of 200 and height of 100. And if I save it, you will see it shows just a broken link because Google actually doesn't support iframe, but some websites will still use it, like bing.com. If I refresh it, you can see here it's bing.com. I need to just extend its size like 500, and you can see here is a Bing, Microsoft Bing, and if you want you can increase this 800, and this is, you can see it's not a safe use for this iframe. In here you can see it maybe is a phishing website that you can use here for send it the links to some people, and they enter their credentials here, and maybe a hacker use those information. And just 200, that should be enough for this tutorial. We can style the border. You can see here there is a border here, style border 0, and you can see the border is gone. If I want, I can change it to some URL like ads that we used, php page.html that we had. This is a new page, this is an ad, this is an ad, and here we have the page.html, and this maybe it's a URL for an ad on other websites. And here it is, you can see this is an ad, and if I delete this border, you can see that's actually the ad here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss my future video.